girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. We have ex-ambassadors here with Your Town. All right, in a memory to a very important person here for ex-ambassadors. So let's take a look at this song here. No need for any capo, okay? And we're gonna work a lot with the bass notes there. So that's the reason for not having, any need for going for the full chords here. I'm just gonna give you the basic grips or kind of the and just use a finger there and playing on the bass strings like they do in the original song here if you watch the music video. So let's go into the chords here. The E minor, for instance, I'm just holding a short little bar like this. So I play on the open E, the second A, and second D. Okay? And then I go to this chord here. I will call that the E C chord. That's pretty much still the E minor, but the C sharp added to it. So you keep the bar there and you add the fourth fret on the A string. So that gives you open E, fourth A, and second D. That's the E C chord. Then we go over to this. You take the exact same grip and move it 2 frets towards you. So you land with the bar finger now on the fourth position here, where you bar the A and D string there, and you add this 6th fret on the A. So that gives you open E, 6th A, and 4th D. That I will call the E A chord. All right, so that is the A sharp note added there, so E A. And then we have the straight A. So I use my bar finger again, index finger. I place it on top of the 2nd fret D and G string. I incorporate also the open A. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G. That's the A. All right, then we have the G. That's 3rd fret on E string, 5th on A, and 5th on D. So you don't have to bar everything if you don't want to. I do it because I'm used to that, but you can just go with this. 3rd E, 5th A, 5th D. Then we have the D. I go with the standard chord here. So that is open D, 2nd G, and 3rd B. That's enough. And then we also have the C sharp. That's 4th on A, 6 on D, and 6 on G. And I take the exact same grip there and move it 2 frets away from me. I land on this position, 2nd fret A, 4th D, and 4th G. And there we have everything. All right, guys, so let's take a look at this strumming pattern. And we can go with E minor. It's very easy to hold that one. So you just place the bar where you need to be placed there on the 2nd fret. And one full strumming round will be about 8 downs. All right, so it'll be like this. And I emphasize the 1st, the 4th, and the 7th down. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just push a little bit harder when I play the 1, the 4, and the 7. Or if you want to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then you go for all the ones. So. Like that. All right, so that is the rhythm and the strumming pattern. Let's go to the verse. You're gonna play E minor 3 down, so just a 1, 2, 3. Then you add the C there, so you get the E C chord, and you play 5 of those. So in total, it will be 1 strumming round with the E minor and the E C. So. Okay, and then you do the same there. When you slide up to the E A chord, you're gonna play the first 3, and then you slide back to the E C and play 5 again. So these 2 chords make up for 1 full strumming round. So. play like that. And then you go to A, just one down, a pause, a big pause, and then you just count in. You play perhaps 3 A's there, chewing, and then back to the E minor round again. So you just play one down on A, a big pause, and then in the end, 1, 2, 3, and E minor. And then A, pause, and 1, 2, 3, and. And then you continue in the end of the verse. You're gonna play G, 1 full string around. Then you play D, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then A, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go back again to this E minor part there. So you're gonna play G, 1, 2, 3, 1. And then back to the E minor. So the G was 1 full string around, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then D, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to E minor. So the transition there will be. And so on. All right, guys, then comes the chorus. And the chorus will be E minor, 2 string rounds. Then E minor, 2 string rounds, A, 2 string rounds. Then C sharp, 1 string round, B, 1 string round, and then back to A, 2 string rounds, like this. E minor. A2. C1. B1, A2, again, and then back to the main E minor. Nice song to play, guys. Couldn't stop there. Ex-Ambassadors, Your Town. Hope this was good for you and you enjoyed it. If you did, please support me here on Going Guitar. And until next time, play tuned.